Hello and welcome to Story in a Corner with me, Matt, and today's story comes from a subscriber and it's quite an unfortunate story really. Now this story was actually given to me over a year ago and it's just unbelievable. So this subscriber purchased a used vehicle from a dealership.
Hold out your hand.
They had issues with the car. They took the car back. The garage wasn't local to where they live, so it was a long trek each time. And basically, it was overheating. It's the 2013, so it's a Focus by the looks of it. Focus Zetec S. So it's a nice Focus. So my subscriber bought this and they had issues with it. It was overheating. The garage said, oh yeah, fine, it's just a reservoir bottle, they always go. Bring it back, we'll change the reservoir for you. So they went back, the expansion bottle, that reservoir, that was replaced by the garage that they bought the vehicle from. Takes it home, still overheating. From my understanding, they took the vehicle to Ford's, to their main local dealerships, and Ford's run an inspection of it. And this is the video from Ford's.
Farmer carrying out the investigation into your Focus today.
Here's the Focus.
The coolant is leaking into cylinder 3 of your engine. Your car is covered by a goodwill gesture by Ford, who will replace your engine for free. I believe it's in the right age group, so we're offering you a free engine replacement on your vehicle today. Gearbox. There is a whine coming from your gearbox. They do suffer with the back bearings, albeit your whine is very slight and it's not obvious. So while the engine's out, we could pop the gearbox out, to strip it and get them bearings and replace them. Hopefully that will sort your whine with some bearings and an oil change.
So there you go. That's what Ford's were going to do. They said they would go under Ford warranty. Nothing to do with the dealership at all, the used dealership. Under Ford themselves, they replaced the engine and sorted the gearbox out. And at the time, you know, this is like a 9-year-old car, 8-9-year-old at the time. So I'm quite surprised that they done that. There might have been other things behind it, but as far as I'm aware, you know, this is all I've been sent, this footage, and yeah, this subscriber got a new engine and bearings fitted in the gearbox.
But wait! There's more! Hang on to your seat, baby, cause this one's a screamer!
And it wasn't long after actually getting the vehicle back on the road, parked up outside her worker place, my subscriber
Who are you laughing at? What? Who are you laughing at?
was very unfortunate and her car was hit by a passing vehicle. And this is the damage from when Lee and myself went up there to have a look at the car.
I think it's repairable, isn't it?
Yeah, it's definitely repairable.
There's the stub axle under there will be bent. It's like a £300 part. Yeah, you have like this metal frame with the tracking rod on it, and that looks like quite soft metal.
Yeah. It's all repairable though.
I should have walked behind you. I walked in front of you.
This side looks mint, yeah, but that gap there, you see how that gap there is smaller than that gap there?
Oh, okay.
It's the same both sides. I don't think it's moved at all. Those gaps are fine, I reckon. Polish the front up. Well, you could probably just get a second-hand bumper from Silver Lakes or something.
Like you said, I think with a bit of heat, that has got a bit of a slice there, hasn't it?
Yeah, but you might better.
I think Because
file that out.
that's going to be rounded, isn't it? And it's flat.
Yeah, you could probably clean that edge up, make it, and then I don't know,
Filler.
plastic filler, yeah, some sort of flexible filler.
I wonder.
Oh, that's the only crack there, right down at the bottom. First crack in the bumper, but that's the lower bit.
That could be pushed back on. Look at it.
Yeah.
Literally, just could almost do it if the door wasn't shut.
Yeah, it's just where it's all been. It's put all the plastic gears and pushed it and just unaligned it.
I think that this wheel has been pushed so far forward, it's hit this, knocked that off. Oh, that's on the wrong side, isn't it? Oh, what's that?
Yeah, it's all the plastic. It's this bit of
That's all
plastic
hanging
because
out.
it's all bent and buckled back here, and it's pushed it all the way round and forward.
I wonder if that wheel's buckled as well. There's movement in that.
Yeah. Need to have a look inside, really. Yeah, there's a MOT failure that,
It's
mate.
kicking. Look at the movement.
Yeah.
Gearbox didn't sound too happy, did it?
No, that's not knackered. Apart from that, though, I reckon that's all right. Get that fixed. Do it yourself. I know. Hopefully, it shouldn't be a write-off. It should be fine.
That weird arrangement of scratches.
Yeah.
Don't know what caused that.
Weird.
Unless it's had some decals on it before. So that looks like someone's been cutting into it with a razor blade.
Yeah, trying to clean something off.
I think it was a bit of a boy racers car before we got it, wasn't it? Hence the new engine.
Yeah.
And gearbox.
I know. That's it.
I
Yeah.
think somebody thrashed it within an inch of its life. And then they get it all fixed. And someone.
Yeah, they can't write it off because it's got a brand new engine and that. What's it got, like 100 miles on it or something?
I mean, it was a couple of months ago, and she literally drives 4 miles every other day.
Yeah. It's hardly done any mileage
I
at
mean,
all.
I
then.
could look at the mileage on the paperwork and then look at the mileage that's on it. Yeah, it's going to be less than 200.
'Cause the engine's not even run in yet then.
It's just really, really bad luck that it's been hit in a place where she's worked here 10 years. Her first car did get hit a couple of times, but only with a wing mirror.
Yeah.
Oh, and somebody backed out the drive into it. She's also done
But it's
that.
mad though, how... Well, here's a scenario of the road, isn't it? I thought, when I saw the pictures that you sent me, I thought there was like a junction here, and the van had come round the corner and caught the rear end of the car.
I think the black van was coming down this road, doing at least 40, and another van has appeared from one of these junctions and come out, probably from down here, and come out, so he didn't have enough time to slow down.
Yeah. And then-
There was a car a little bit further back from where my car's parked, a black car. So he tried to swerve in to stop, but he's not stopped.
Yeah,
Yes.
trying to time it so he can go in and out
Yeah.
without having to slow down too much. Yeah, and he's just caught
And
it.
he tried to blame the other driver, but he didn't hit the other driver.
No, but it's his own fault, isn't it?
Yeah. It's obstacles on his side of the road.
Yeah, I just saw that. What's that on there for? It's from a
Or
different
shrapnel.
shrapnel from the van.
Don't know, that might be maybe from the van or from this car, I'm not sure.
Yeah, little body clip.
That's from the van.
Yeah, along with all the other plastic on the floor.
Yeah.
It's everywhere.
You should have seen it when it first was done. The whole corner of the bumper of the van was gone. It was just obliterated everywhere.
Yeah. So from that we can see, you know, my subscriber was very unfortunate. The car has actually been repaired now and it is back on the road, so that's great news. So I've blurred out all the number plate and that, because obviously new owners, they may not want to see it all plastered all over. I say plastered all over, it may not get any views. So yeah, a bit of a weird story, bit unfortunate really for my subscriber, but you know, they've got themselves another car. This car, I think they did lose a little bit of money on it, and unfortunately at the time, cars had price rocketed. But yeah, it is what it is. So we'll leave it there. Thank you very much for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you very soon. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.